Hey there, interested intellectuals. Today, we're going to embark on an exciting journey into the enchanting world of elephants and their superpower, their magnificent memory. Fact: did you know elephants are known for their incredible memory and can recall specific locations, recognize other animals, and even carry grudges? Lesson: imagine you have a fantastical friend named Everett who happens to be an elephant. Now, Everett doesn't just have a long trunk and big ears. He has something truly special, an exceptional memory. So what's the big deal about Everett's memory? Well, let's take a look in a way that's easy to understand. Everett's brain power. First off, Everett has a big brain. Actually, all elephants do. As a matter of fact, they have one of the largest brains in the animal kingdom. And you know what that means? It means Everett is super smart. Remembering places Everett has been. Everett uses his memory to remember all the cool places in the jungle. He knows where the sweetest fruits are, the coziest spots to sleep, and the best watering holes for a drink on a hot day. Everett can recall and locate all of his favorite places. It's like he has a built-in map in his brain. Using his memory to help. Everett loves to help his friends in the jungle, whether it's showing other animals to water or guiding his friends to a great tree for a scratch. Everett's memory magic helps to make the jungle a joyful and organized place. Everett's treasure chest. Imagine having a treasure chest full of memories. Everett has something like that in his brain. All elephants do. He can remember things that happened a very long time ago and other animals and elephants he has met. This makes elephants very social animals. Like most elephants, Everett has a big family, and remembering important things helps him take care of his family members. Because he can remember exactly who his family members are, he can hug and comfort them, and even warn them if danger is nearby. I hope you have learned a little about Everett the elephant's amazing memory, and how that helps him navigate his world and take care of his friends and family. Next time you are trying to remember where you left your toys or your favorite book, think about Everett and his magnificent memory. Maybe there's a little bit of elephant memory magic in all of us. Story time. This one is called Everett and Skylar's Acorn Adventure. Once upon a time in the heart of the jungle, there lived an elephant named Everett. Now, even though Everett was a young elephant, he had a memory that was simply extraordinary. He could remember every bush, every river, and every single friend in the jungle. One sunny day, as Everett slowly strolled through the jungle, he noticed his friend, Skylar the squirrel, looking a bit sad. "Hello, Skylar. Is something wrong? You look a little down," Everett asked. "Oh, Everett, I've lost all of my acorns. It was a huge stash, and I can't remember where I buried them. I'm so worried," Skylar replied. "Don't worry, Skylar. I have an extraordinary memory, and I can use it to help you," Everett reassured him. Everett closed his eyes, went into his memory treasure chest, and recalled the day he saw Skylar gathering all the acorns. Focusing on the images in his mind, Everett remembered the exact spot where Skylar buried them. "Skylar, I know exactly where your acorns are buried. Follow me." And just like that, Everett used his memory to lead Skylar through the jungle. They went around several bushes and trees, through tall grasses, around big rocks, directly to where she buried her acorn stash. As they reached a big oak tree, Everett declared, "Here we are. Your acorns should be buried right here." Skylar was so impressed she almost couldn't believe it. She started digging, and soon enough, she found every single acorn she had buried there, safe and sound. "Everett, you're amazing. How did you remember where they were buried?" Skylar exclaimed, her eyes wide with amazement. Everett chuckled. "Well, my friend, elephants have really good memories. We remember important things like where to find water, where the most abundant grazing spots are, and of course, where our best friends hide their acorns." After that day, Everett became the go-to friend in the jungle whenever someone needed help remembering. He reminded the parrots of their favorite perches, showed the monkeys to the best snacks, and even helped the bees locate the flowers in bloom. With the help of Everett and his incredible memory, the jungle became a more joyous and organized place. The end. We hope you've enjoyed learning about Everett and his incredible memory.